In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use Olymp Trade on iOS app. If you want to access Olymp Trade's powerful trading capabilities on your iPhone or iPod, follow these steps. 1. Launch the App Store application on your iPhone or iPod device and search for the Olymp Trade app. Once you find the Olymp Trade app in the search results, tap on it to open the web page. On the app page, tap Get button located next to the app icon. And after tapping Get, the button will change to Install. Tap Install to begin the download and installation process. If prompt, enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the download installation. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch the Olymp Trade app. Enter your account credentials to log into your Olymp Trade account. And after logging in, you'll have access to Olymp Trade's powerful trading capabilities right from your iOS device. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.